If you're a welder, you might have seen that some lenses come with a gold coating on the exterior. If you've ever wondered what the gold actually does and how it differs from standard shade lenses, today we're gonna break it all down. Standard Shade 10 lenses are typically made from high-quality European thermal green welding glass. They do a great job at blocking out harmful UV and infrared light while maintaining that classic green welding lens look. They're cost-effective, durable, and perfect for general MIG and TIG tasks where you just need reliable, no-nonsense protection. The gold version is exactly the same, except it has a pure gold coating applied to the surface. Why gold? Because gold reflects up to 90% of infrared heat away from your eyes, keeping your face significantly cooler and less strained during long welding sessions. Plus, because it reflects light instead of absorbing it, you get a superior optical clarity and a much truer color palette. So basically, if you only weld on occasion or as a hobby, then the standard lens will do you just fine. But if you're a professional pulling 10-hour days, then the gold coating will improve your quality of life and work and is a total must. At Phillips Safety, we offer these in all standard shapes, including small and large rectangles, and even 55mm circles, plus custom sizes upon request. When you buy from us, you're getting 100 years of optical expertise and glass that meets ANSI Z87.1 safety standards. Head over to our site and upgrade your lenses today.